Every phenomenon of nature is exposed to change. Every social institution undergoes new developments. The field of English language teaching is no exception to it. Every day appears with new researches and discoveries. Information influx is the trait of the day. If new information is delivered through an organization or an institution, the results are likely to be quicker and more constructive. SPELT is one such organization that transmits new ideas through various modes, and English language teaching conferences are one of them. SPELT conferences have become a tradition in the world of English language teaching. In Pakistan, Islamabad chapter has been maintaining the tradition since 1985. This is the Society of Pakistan English Language Teachers. SPELT organizes annual international conferences at Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad. Likewise, one of the conferences was held in Fatma Jinnah Women University, Rawalpindi from the 22nd of October to the 24th of October 2010 under the title of English Language Teaching Mapping Unmapped Territories. In this conference, over 500 teachers participated from different institutes of Pakistan.
As we are aware of the facts that new developments are taking place in every field of life, which are based on research, and English language teaching is no exception. There are several kinds of experiments being made to improve the teaching and learning situation. Keeping in view the experimentation, research, we have selected the theme for this conference, ELT Mapping Unmapped Territories.
Noreen Mirza, workshop coordinator SPELT, said that it's a voluntary organization and she welcomed newcomers.
SPELT, as you all know, is a voluntary organization working to support the teachers' community and to provide them with a forum for professional development and grooming. We welcome the newcomers in SPELT, encourage by providing opportunities to them, empower by trusting them, and grow by promoting them. We at SPELT uphold high ethical and professional standards and endeavor to plan and manage our work accordingly.
Dr. Samina Qadir also welcomed conference participants. Mr. Mika Risha from USA expressed his views about the importance of English language for Pakistan teachers.
On behalf of the United States Department of State, I'd like to thank SPELT for organizing its 26th annual conference and for inviting not only Pakistanis but the international community to engage and continue to find ways to collaborate as we mold the future together. I would say the most important thing that I could convey here is that English is a vehicle for peacemaking. It's recognized globally as a universal way to convey information, but when you analyze how peace is brought about, we cannot ignore economic livelihoods. English is linguistic currency. Those who speak English are more likely to find jobs and more likely to become decision makers in their own communities.
Vice-Chancellor of Fatma Jinnah Women University, Ms. Saida Asadullah Khan, said,
"It is indeed an honor for me to be here on the auspicious occasion of the inaugural of the 26th International SPELT Conference. At the onset, I would like to appreciate the record of SPELT that has set a precedent of playing a proactive role in providing facilities or faultless academic activities for the professionals across the country."
Afterwards, Dr. Caroline Coffin delivered her comprehensive presentation and also expressed her views about her warm welcome in Pakistan.
In Pakistan, this is my first visit, and I've only been here for a week, so I've been madly mapping what previously was unknown territory. So I've been exploring new food, wearing new clothes, and most importantly, getting to know some of you. And it's been a really wonderful introduction to life in Pakistan and the people here.
In the end of the conference, the participants gave their views about the benefits of the conference.
SPELT is the only representative organization of teachers of English in Pakistan. It is basically for the uplift of the cause of ELT in Pakistan. Once English is essential, as we are living in an age that is marked by scientific development, technology, commerce, industry, computerization of systems, we cannot refute the importance of English.
The British Council has been working very closely with Society of Pakistan for English Language Teachers in the past, and this year we also encouraged a policy dialogue, a series of policy dialogue events in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad, where we looked at the issue around language and education and issues around mother tongue and how language can be used as a vehicle for change in society, because for learners it is very important that first they understand how to learn and then look into the medium of instruction in other subjects. And I think 26 years of international reputable conferences for SPELT is very good and appreciated, and the British Council will try to continue its support to SPELT in the longer run as usual.
The United States government believes in initiatives such as the SPELT 26th International Conference for English Teachers. The U.S. recognizes that one of the ways to help countries and to help individuals is for them to learn English so that they can communicate with the world.
English language teachers here, the ones I've met, have struck me as very, very committed. I was invited by a group under the auspices of SPELT, and they've done a huge amount in terms of the professional development and training of teachers. But of course, Pakistan is a huge country, and I think there is an issue around teacher training and the need to provide more training, particularly in rural areas. At the conference, I've been able to talk to a wide range of teachers, some in urban areas and some in more rural areas, and the challenges in each context are very, very different. I think in rural areas particularly, there are issues to do with the use of the local mother tongue, the use of Urdu, the use of English, and how all these combine. And as I said, the challenges particularly of having not many textbooks necessarily and not the resources one would always like. But my impression overall from everyone I've met is that people are incredibly engaged and very committed to doing the best they can.
SPELT participants also gave their views about the benefits of the conference.
Today I'm here as a trainer in this SPELT International Conference. This conference is a wonderful opportunity for all people of Pakistan. Reason being that we need to have a social awareness about English language. And English, since it's an international universal language all over the world, and for example, if we talk about different organizations in Pakistan or abroad, the most important or the key area of success of any organization is their communication skill.
I think that this type of seminars should be held in Pakistan because there are not proper teachers training centers here, and we are quite comfortable here. We improve our teaching skills through these kind of seminars, some grammatical skills development, etc., etc.
This is my second time I'm coming over here, and I really enjoyed the whole session. The speakers are really good, and this is very informative, and I've enjoyed a lot, and I have gained a lot as well.
Every student rather related to English language must come to get himself in and to see that what kind of improvement and implementations can be brought in English language teaching.
I think students learn a lot through these SPELT conferences, and students must attend this conference because in this way we learn a lot. The bookish knowledge, you memorize the things, are not exactly the right way to learn the knowledge. But these type of conference where the teachers come and deliver the lecture to the student in the various methodology they are adopting.
The three-day international conference ended with a panel discussion, and the conference contributed towards the continuous professional development of the English language teachers in an effective and efficient manner.